my dear students. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to see Unit 3 Prose, the Right Place. What is the name of the prose? The Right Place. In this lesson, we are going to see about the life of the camels through the conversation between the mother camel and the baby camel. Now, let us move on to the lesson. Listen carefully, students. First, Ma, the elephants have short legs with 5 toes. But why do I have long legs with 2 toes? Then, mother camel is answer to the baby camel. My child, we live in the desert. The desert has a lot of sand and rocks. Our legs help us to walk in the loose desert sand. Our toes protect us from the hot sand. Listen carefully, students. Once the baby camel asked the mother camel why the elephants have short legs with 5 toes. At the same time, why we have long legs with 2 toes. The mother camel explained that since we live in the desert, which had a lot of sand and rocks, the long legs help to walk in the loose desert sand, and the 2 toes protect the legs from the heat. Now next you can listen, students. Ma, why do I have this long eyelashes? The mother camel explained to the baby camel. My child, in the desert there are strong winds. These winds carry sand with them. Our eyelashes keep our eyes safe from these winds. See, students, again the baby camel asked with another doubt that why it have long eyelashes. Here the mother camel explained that eyelashes protects our eyes from the strong winds in the desert. And this time the mother camel became smart and herself explained to the baby camel. Do you know why we have humps on our back? In the desert, it's hard to find food and water. Our humps store food so that we can use the food in the hump. If we cannot find it in the desert, that means the mother camel explained to the baby camel we have humps on his back so that it can store food and water for a long time. Since it is very hard to find food and water in the desert. The baby camel was astonished and listening to this. Okay, students, see this picture? This is the hump. Okay, and the next one is, Ma, can you tell me why we have hot skin? Then mother camel explained to the baby camel, it saves us from thorny cactus plants as well as from the hot sun and cold nights in the sand. Again the baby camel asked to doubt to his mother why we have hot skin, and the mother replied that it had hot skin so as to protect them from the thorny cactus plants in the desert and also to protect them from the hot sun and cold nights. And the last question the baby camel was asked to mother camel. Ma, but why are we in the zoo? Why are we not in the desert? That means why we are living zoo, why we are not living our place. Here now the mother camel was unable to answer this question. Students, I think for this question, we human beings are answerable to the baby camel. Students, just imagine yourself that you are locked in one place, how you feel, and then try to answer this question of the baby camel. Students, hope you all understand this lesson. Yeah, very good. We will meet the next class. Thank you, students.